First step is to put the bird on. The second step is to put tape on the bird. And you cover that little mark. The third step is to straighten out the lace. And final step is to do 4 wraps. 3 and 4. Lace is nice and even. Next step is to tie the knot. And then the student puts their thumb over top, finger underneath, and presses firmly. And then you tie the knot and just slide it right under their thumb without them letting go. Okay, you can let go now. Perfect, so that's the first knot. Tie 2 more knots, and you are set. And straighten out the lacing to cover the tape. And you're good to go. Haven't lost a bird yet.